Hello and welcome back. Today I would like to share something I found out by accident. Um, Most of you probably know that you have to clean your sanding discs and belts to make them last longer. In order to do so, you can buy a commercial product, and from research I found some they cost between $15 to $20 or euro, doesn't really matter. However, you can save even more money. Okay, maybe you've seen me use those floor mats on my table.
I also use them on the floor because that's what they are for, and I use them to dampen vibrations under my bandsaw. By accident I found out that the rubber from those rubber floor mats works just the same as a commercial product. So today I would like to test how well it works on the different types of belts, discs and grids. We start this test with the disc sander and a 60 grit disc. You can see the disc is quite clogged with materials from previous projects, and already the first pass is removing a lot of that material quite quickly. The result is quite good, better than I expected. Our second test is a belt sander with a 100 grit belt, and you can see the result is not as phenomenal as on the first test, but quite alright. Our next test is the belt grinder, and once again the rubber cleans up the belt quickly and efficiently. Alright, as you can see, you can really save a lot of money by using this trick. Clean up your abrasives and you don't have to buy as many as often. If you think this tip might save you money in the long run and you have no idea what to do with that money, watch this video till the end. There'll be a link to my Patreon, and I would much appreciate if you could support me there. If not, I'm happy as well if you just watch my videos. Thanks and bye bye.